Hello guys, so today we will learn how to draw the pore size distribution graph. In order to draw this graph using Origin Pro, we need the pore size, and the porous materials always have different size of pores, so that's why we can draw a pore distribution graph based on the number of pores and sizes of pores. So the distribution looks like in the graph on the right hand sides, and the left hand side are some porous materials or porous films, and which contain a lot of nano and micropores. So today I will teach you how to perform that using ImageJ and Origin Pro. So first we will use the ImageJ to analyze the pores, and later we will draw the pore distribution using the Origin. Let's jump into the ImageJ. So ImageJ I have already downloaded and opened. So I will open the image I want to analyze, porous image. So here is my SEM image, and make sure it have a scale bar. If there is no scale bar, it's hard to predict the exact pore size. So first you have to select the line and then click here, and also click the shift to keep the line straight onto the scale bar. So once you have drawn the line, then you have to click on analyze and set scale. So known distance is 10 and the unit is micrometer. Okay, so our scale is already set. So if you want to double check, you can again draw a line here. Let's see how it's almost half, and then measure. So you can see its length is about 5.1. So it means we have correctly set the scale bar. So now we will choose the area. We have to choose the area which is more smooth in the SEM image to get the more precise results. So first you have to select on the rectangle and choose an area. I am choosing this one. So after rectangle, you have to click on image, and you can crop or you can duplicate. Just click OK. So this area is duplicated here, so we will perform all the action on this area. So after duplication and selection of area, you have to go to the image, adjust. You can change the color balance if your image is not good. So I will just keep the tutorial simple and click on image, adjust, and threshold. Now you can see the red lines are on the edges and the black represent the holes. So I will try to adjust this. First I will move it completely to the left, so it's totally red. Now I will slowly move this line towards the left. You can see the red color is filling the pores. So if I select up to here, you can see a lot of black area which is hole or pore is not filled. So you have to make sure that this area is filled with the red color, or any small holes must be filled with the red color. So I will slowly move towards the right side. Almost every part is filled. So definitely we cannot make it 100% correct, but you can make some changes to make it more precise. Then click on apply and then close this. So after you have done this, you have to go to analyze and set measurements. So we want to calculate the area and diameter. So just check these two boxes and click OK. Again click on analyze and click on analyze particles. So you have to make sure you choose between like 0 to infinity, and this you can choose circularity, and you have to choose overlay masks and then click OK. So here are the results. So if you look at the image, let's analyze the image. So the white part here there are a lot of white part which is not calculated because the SEM image was not perfect. So only area which is the colored, it's selected for the pore size estimation or pore size calculations. So these white and black areas not counted, remember. So that's why always choose the area which is best or smooth. Anyway, I will use this for the tutorial purpose. So here is the summary: number of counts, total area under the counts, average size. This is estimation, not very precise. This is percentage area. So there is a detailed summary here. Here you can see the area. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this area. Based on the area, we will be able to calculate the pore size. So because if you look at the area, E is equal to pi r square. R is radius, which is equal to diameter over 2. So we have only area. So let's copy the area for all the part. Make sure you copy all the area, all the particles. I don't know why I cannot copy. So I guess just click. I guess click here up to shift. Yeah, you can click here and then go at the bottom and click shift and then select, then copy. This is the area. So now we will open the origin. I have already opened an origin. So let's open a new book sheet and click here. This is the data. So remember, this is the area, second column. So once again I will show you. This second column is area. So we have to use this data. So we have already here the area. So I can write here area. Okay. So as I told you, we have the area equal to pi r square. So we have to adjust, calculate the diameter or of the pores, and we have to inverse make some adjustments in this data. So first add a column. I will add. So first we have to calculate the simply area, then we can calculate r square. Okay, r equal to r square we can calculate is equal to r is equal to diameter. Sorry. Yeah. R is equal to r square is equal to this area divided by pi, or 3.14. So here we will write our function. We will say r square. Here we will r. Here we will say diameter. Okay. R square we will insert the function. Function is this column. Just click using the same, and then click on the column B divided by 3.14, which is equal to pi. Okay. So now we have to change r square into the r. So we can simply use the square root function, find the square root, mathematics, square root of which column? This column. Okay, sorry, square root of x, we will choose the column h, apply. Okay, and the d we have to calculate equal to 2 square root we have already taken, area over pi we have already done. This is r square, or we can say area divided by pi, 3.14, and we have also taken its square root. So all we need is to multiply it by 2. So we can do this function as 2 multiplied by the r. R is this. So this is column I. Okay. So here is our diameter, our pore size, and remember this is in micrometer. So we can draw the histogram. Plot pore size distribution. Histogram. Yeah. So this is the diameter. Our pore size, we can write pore size, and remember it's in micrometer because we set the unit micrometer, and this is the counts. So you can adjust this graph according to your requirement. So today we learned how to measure the pore size of an SEM image and draw a pore size distribution graph after inserting the data into the origin. So we will get the area from the ImageJ, and then we will use this equation to calculate the diameter or pore size. Thank you very much.